I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin. You mad? We got melanin. Melanin. We get it from my mama.
What's up, Flava Squad? I'm back. I know it's been forever, but I'm back, and I'm back with a DIY for you guys today. So today we're going to be transforming this huge shirt into something popping, okay? The first thing you will need is a sewing machine, or you can sew by hand. It's totally up to you, but I prefer a sewing machine. You'll also need a measuring tape, a ruler, a rotary cutter if you prefer, pins, chalk, and some scissors. Okay, first you want to place the shirt flat out on the floor. Be sure that your shirt is inside out when you're laying it out to start your pattern. You don't want to sew on the correct side of the garment, so it only makes sense to have it inside. You want to grab a skirt or a dress, it doesn't matter, or even shorts, it really doesn't matter, just to get the shape of the skirt that I'm making here. You then want to take your chalk and trace around that pattern, whichever pattern that you have, and you want to be about an inch out. I did not go a full inch out only because I knew, that would be too much for me because of the way that this skirt already fits. This inch that you're leaving allows for seam allowance. Once you start sewing, it takes some of the fabric, so you want to give yourself enough room. It's always better to be bigger than too small. You then want to proceed to cut that pattern out that you just made. I'm using this ruler because it just gives me a better straight line. When I'm trying to make a straight line myself, honey, it's not straight. It looks like Elvis Presley or something. Not a straight line. After that, you just want to pin your pieces together. I pinned mine by putting one pin at the top, one pin in the middle, and one at the bottom. And once I was finished, this is what I have. We will now start with the top. This top is going to be a tube top. So I had to measure myself with the measuring tape and come up with the correct sizing, the correct measurements for this. So mine measured out to be, I think, maybe 15 across and 5 or 6 inches down. Once you're done tracing out your top, you can now cut it out and begin pinning. Once you're done, this is what you should have: a top piece and a skirt, both pinned on both sides. Now for the skirt and the top, you just want to sew along those pinned sides. You want to start with the back stitch and also end with the back stitch. The back stitch basically ensures that your stitch is secure and it won't come out. I decided last minute to add a hem in the skirt, so you just want to fold over the top of the skirt and pin it down and just sew all around the top. Once you're done sewing, you should have two completed pieces, a skirt and a tube top. I wanted to be different and add my own flair, of course. So I have my own brand called Dynamic, and I wanted to add it on here just to add a little more pop to this top. If you guys want a more detailed video on how to add vinyl to your garments, all you have to do is let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make a video on that. once you're done, this is what it should look like. And this is the final product. Yes, ma'am. Come through. Dynamic. I just feel like with that, it just looks so much better. It doesn't look plain. It really looks just me. And I'm definitely going to wear this. I need to find somewhere to go. So all my friends, hit me up. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I want to thank you guys for also sticking around while I was gone for a long time. But your girl is back, and I'm going to try to stay on top of things. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know any ideas, anything that you guys would like to see, and I'll be sure to do them for you. And as I always say, may your curls pop no matter what you're doing, and your grind never stops. Bye, y'all.